Good afternoon, morning, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Right now, I just received from kelpforless.com granular mycorrhizae and trichoderma. This is endo, ecto, myco plus trichoderma plus bacterial inoculants in the granular form. You can use this during all stages of plant development. They have directions for use. I'm going to do this as a top dress around the base of a few plants and in the soil of a few plants. But I'm also going to inoculate my two, I would say, mulch piles. They're not mulch, they're mostly leaves and detritus. So I'm going to go ahead and put this, over top as a top dress to those locations. And we'll see what kind of results we can get and what kind of a boost to the breakdown of that material we can get from all of these microorganisms being put into the material. So here's one soil pit. I'm going to pull back this tarp. Let's see what we got. Ready? Alright, so I want to feel the temp. See what we got for an internal temp. It's actually pretty hot. See how, wow, it gets even hotter the further in you go. That's amazing. So it's already doing pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and put this top dress on. Okay, there, I did it. So the bag is about, I'd say 2/5 of the way empty. And I put the material on the top. Now I'm just gonna go water this in. See that? It's down there. So we're gonna see how this does. Here we are, I'm watering it in. I'm not gonna water it in terribly heavy. I just wanna get this stuff to percolate down into the material just enough. Anyhow, folks, I'll just be covering this up with the tarp again and letting it sit for a good few days. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as they help the channel out quite a bit. And stay tuned as I keep you updated on the progress of this soil production process. Have a good day.